everybody, this is my video about me going in the woods, and I am just getting started. There you go. My first video that I'm going outside. So right now there's a lot of leaves here. Like I said in one of my other videos, I said that I had a house tree and I will make you explore it. Well, here you go. So, I have a lot of stuff. I have about skipping rope. It's useless. But still, I have my hammer. It's kind of tiny, my house. But still, you guys, like I said in one of my videos, I am going out in the woods if I get 20 subscribes. Well, you guys, I'm kind of kind. I'm being so kind to you that I'm going even though there's not even one subscribe or like to my video. It sucks for me, but still, it's just to make you guys happier. Alright, so we're going in the woods. I never saw this thing on the ground. Oh, someone left the axe. It's so weird. Oh no. Oh. Alright. Sorry if there's the sound of the wind. Alright, here is where mostly deers pass. Not here. I mean over there and over there. Might be possible we see one in the woods. Comment down below if you see one in the woods. Or make a video of it. But still, I might kind of get scared and gonna return. But I am going to be brave and go. Alright. Hope there's not a lot of bugs. Oh damn it, there's too fast. Sorry if I was looking down, I'll look in front. I wish I had a GoPro. That'd be fun and insane. Alright. Wait, quick thing. Subscribe to this video if you're new and like it. I can go even farther if you want. Right now, the only thing I know is that nothing. Right. So in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna make a quick challenge. There's a lot of deers that passes here. I'm scared if one's gonna just like pop out of my face and like scare me to death. But if I see something move, I might yell. Because last time I think I saw ostriches in the wood. They were deers, but there was like black things on them. I got so scared. But I didn't make a video of that. But I have a challenge, even though it's not 5 minutes later. Subscribe and like this video if you want me to make a video while filming deers. If you want, it could be a little funny and scare them. But still, I'm out of breath. Alright. Oh my god, what was that? What was that? Anyways. Oh my god, I'm kind of getting scared. As I was saying, little bit challenges, but I want you guys to subscribe in 7. Oh wait, sorry. That's like in another video, but still. I want you guys to subscribe and like this video. I don't know if it's possible in 5 seconds. And if you can, subscribe, turn on the bell, and like in 5 seconds. That's a big challenge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Comment down below. did it. If you did it. Sounds a little bit weird, but I didn't know what to say. So did it. And don't forget, don't lie, because then that's like cheating a bit. So, if you guys have a channel, and you guys liked and subscribed my channel, I could subscribe yours. I mean, like, I didn't went that far. Oh, that sucks. In my other videos, I used to swear. But when I don't really like swearing. Alright, anyway. Ow! You guys can comment down below if you know what kind of plants that get stuck on your knee. It looks like a porcupine. Comment down below if you know it. What kind of plant? Jeez, I think it's a 10th challenge I'm giving you. I'll stop with the challenges even though I have a lot. But let's go. Oh crap. I saw something running. I saw something run towards me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I wasn't connected. So here, I'll go here. Oh my God, someone's in the house. I think I just saw someone. Okay, just to tell, I'm 11. And I'm not afraid. Okay, yes, I'm a bit afraid of things. Like, even though everything... I'm so tired. I love this window. It's my best window. I'm so tired. Oh, now you decide to join? Seriously? Bad cat. So you're a good kitty. I have a good idea. Comment down below. Sorry. I have to take off my coat real quick, so just 1 second. Alright. Comment down below, how many cats do you have at home? Alright. So right now I feel like gaming a bit. So I am going to... What are you doing? I am going to let this video end. Still, if you are new, subscribe and turn on the notification, whatever you call those. And I can give free things. Like a free, I don't know, iPad or anything like that. Plus, my guinea pigs are for sale. I can give you one for free. I thought I had two. Where, Katie? Get out of the way a bit. Oh, yeah. I can give one of those. Plus, she's pregnant, so I can maybe give some. But don't forget, maybe one day I will have a real challenge. Channel. I'm so sorry. So, have a nice day. Subscribe and like. I love making my videos. Not because I want to be rich. Because, I don't know why. Because it's, no, not for real, I'm not lying. Not because I just want 6,000 subscribers and likes. Because I just want everybody to have, you know, see this video and like have free things. You don't have to subscribe. It's okay. You're allowed to have no subscribes in my video. But I'm just doing this for fun. Not because I want to be rich like all the other YouTubers. Just because it's my dream to make a channel. Right now, I can make another video for you guys for fun about me singing how I have a voice, horrible or nice. You comment down below. Yes or no. Oh my god, my room's a mess. Yes or no. Plus, real quick, I'm gonna end this video like in a second. Real quick, I'm gonna turn on this. I can give, if you have a child. Hello? Oh my god. I'm so scared. I'm sorry. Didi? Didi? Oh my god. I call my cat because I'm so scared. Didi? Didi? I'm sorry for this thing, but I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Normally, I always do this when I'm petrified. I take a blankie, go ahead, go walk and pretend I'm a ghost. That's the things I used to do. Like I'm gonna do right now. Yes, you guys, I'm not an adult. Okay, I'm scared. Yes, you guys, it's all black because I'm gonna end this video. Real quick, as I said, I have free toys to give. Just not subscribe. Just comment down below. Bye. Love you. Have a nice, fantastic day. Hopefully, I'll get out of my room. Bye, guys. I'll miss you. Bye.